Apps like Earnin usually work by connecting to your bank account and letting you access a portion of wages you've already earned before your official payday. By the end, you'll understand how Earnin alternatives work, what separates cash advance apps from wage access tools, and which type is best depending on how you get paid. Most Earnin alternatives fall into three categories: earned wage access apps, cash advance apps, and hybrid financial apps. Each category looks similar, but the way they calculate eligibility and release money is completely different. Now explain earned wage access apps. Earned wage access apps focus on letting you access money you've already worked for, instead of borrowing against future income. That means they depend heavily on your employer's payroll system and how often you get paid. Now, explain cash advance apps. Cash advance apps give you short-term access to money based on your bank activity, instead of payroll systems, which makes them more flexible for users with irregular income. They usually require a linked bank account so they can analyze deposits, spending patterns, and repayment ability. Now explain hybrid apps. Hybrid apps combine earned wage access, cash advances, and budgeting tools in one platform, which makes them closer to an all-in-one financial dashboard. Now, explain approval differences. Approval usually depends on income consistency, deposit frequency, and account activity rather than credit score, which means stable banking history matters more than credit history. Now explain why people switch from Earnin. People switch from Earnin because of differences in transfer speed, eligibility rules, or how closely an app is tied to employer payroll systems. Now, explain limitation. A common limitation is that access is directly tied to your income flow, so inconsistent paychecks or irregular deposits can reduce how much you qualify for. Now, explain misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking all Earnin alternatives function the same way, but each one uses different data signals to decide how much money you can access. Now simplify it. Earnin alternatives are not interchangeable. Some rely on employer payroll data, while others rely on bank account activity, and that difference changes everything about approval and speed. Here's the simple breakdown. If you want access to wages you've already earned wage access apps are the closest match. If you want more flexibility with irregular income, cash advance apps usually fit better. If you want both in one place, hybrid apps are the most complete alternative. Do this next. Look at how you're currently getting paid and how stable your deposits are. Then choose an app that matches that structure instead of just picking based on brand name. If your income is steady, wage access apps usually work smoothly. If it's irregular, cash advance apps tend to give more flexibility.